Welcome to Founders Decoded. To those who have already watched both of our previous reels, you might have a question. Is DRDO only about missiles? Well, from stealthy drones that can scout enemy regions without being detected, to automated AI targeting systems, and also specialized exosuits designed specifically for Indian soldiers to withstand all of the harsh climatic conditions and enhanced protection. There is no such field which the DRDO has left untouched. And as part of inculcating more private partnership and innovation into the Indian defense program, DRDO has already launched 20 tech startups under the initiative of IDEX program. DRDO proudly is also a key stakeholder in the 5th generation fighter program called AMCA. DRDO in all its power and sense is truly paving the way for India's self-reliant future warfare. For more such interesting content, follow for more.